In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find relative volume, or RVOL, on Webull. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting in the world of stocks, understanding and utilizing the relative volume indicator can be a great asset. It helps you assess the strength and significance of a stock's price movement by comparing its latest trading volume with the average volume over a specific period. So, let's get started on this informative journey. First, you'll want to launch the Webull application. You can do this on your desktop or through the mobile app, whichever works best for you. Webull is known for its user-friendly interface, and getting familiar with it is the first step in tailoring your trading experience to best suit your needs. Upon opening it, you'll be greeted by various features and options designed to empower your investment decisions. Next, navigate to the Markets section. This area is essentially the heartbeat of Webull, displaying a wealth of real-time data and insights about current global market conditions. It organizes information in a comprehensive yet digestible format, helping you monitor market trends efficiently. Becoming familiar with the Markets section is crucial as it provides the foundation for identifying trading opportunities. After you're in the Markets section, you need to head over to the Active section. This might sound like a subtle move, but it's an important shift that refocuses your view. The Active tab showcases stocks that are experiencing significant activity. It's the hotspot for identifying potentially lucrative trades. This area gives you insights into what stocks have most people's attention, based on trading volumes and movement. Now, with the Active section open, it's time to find and click on RVOL, which stands for Relative Volume. The RVOL metric is a transformative tool within Webull's suite of trading tools. It essentially tells you whether the current day's trading volume is above or below the norm. The relative volume is expressed as a ratio and helps signal unusual trading activity. When you click on RVOL, Webull will display this information directly, helping you understand which stocks are experiencing higher or lower than average activity levels. Dive into this data to explore how volumes compare, and integrate that knowledge into your decision-making process. Remember, becoming adept at trading using platforms like Webull is as much about practice and familiarization as it is about the analytics themselves. As you hone these skills, the RVOL will become one of many indicators you use to judge stock performance and make trading decisions. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to find relative volume on Webull. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this helps you as you continue to navigate the world of trading. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment further with all the features that Webull offers. Good luck and happy trading.